autocorrelation, cross correlation. So correlation, autocorrelation means what? Can someone tell me? What is autocorrelation? ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారన్నా ఎవరు సౌండ్ చేస్తారు?
Correlation about the range, about the points.
Same
Expectation of
random variables, sir.
same random variable with some delay. Maybe there is a delay or may not be delay. Okay, this is a expectation of xt plus tau. This is the ensemble average. A is a time average. Xt plus tau. So when the ensemble average of this xt plus tau and time average of xt plus tau are equal, we call that as a autocorrelation ergodic process. Similarly, for this expectation of cross correlation means one random variable from one random process, other random variable from other random process. Xt is the random variable from xt process and yt plus tau is the random variable from yt process. That is equals to A means time average, xt by t plus tau. So this is about autocorrelation and cross correlation ergodic process. Now we will see definition. A statistical random process. Write down. A statistical random process xt with autocorrelation function ACF. Autocorrelation function ACF or double X tau. Or double X tau. The two random variables x and x are obtained from the same random process. So that is double X. Tau is the time delay between the two random variables. Is said to be ergodic or ergodic in correlation. Correlation ergodic, specifically autocorrelation. Other name for this one is ergodic in correlation. In correlation, if and only if you have to write the mathematical expression. What is the mathematical expression? Ensemble average, that is expectation of xt x t plus tau, and this should be equals to time average limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral from minus t to plus t xt x t plus tau dt. This is the autocorrelation one. The same thing you can write for cross correlation. You can write it for cross correlation. Two random processes. With cross. Just I'm changing this second random variable. A statistical random process xt with cross correlation ACF, CCF. This one is CCF, cross correlation function. Rxy tau is said to be correlation ergodic or ergodic in correlation if and only if expectation of xt yt plus tau that's equals to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral from minus t to plus t xt yt plus tau. So this is about just what is the definition of correlation ergodic or ergodic in correlation. Now let us see autocorrelation function ACF. What is the formula of this? Expectation of xt x t plus tau. This can be written as R. R means correlation. Double X means two random variables are obtained from the same random process. So it is autocorrelation. The time delay between the two random variables is tau. Let us see the properties. Properties of autocorrelation function. First one, autocorrelation function R double X tau at tau is equals to 0 gives mean square value of the process. Gives mean square value of the process. Process means random process. So here what is going on? That is R double X tau at tau equal to 0 means you have to write tau equal to 0. So this is mean square value. Mean square value. Any doubt in this? Let us prove this. First, let us write the formula of autocorrelation function. R double X tau equals to expectation of xt x t plus tau. Let's substitute tau equal to 0. What it gives us? R double X 0 is equals to expectation of xt expectation of t plus 0. So what is meaning of this? Expectation of x square t. What is the expectation of x square t? What do we call it? What we call expectation of x square? Can someone tell me?
Variance.
Mean square.
Mean square. Expectation of x is mean. Expectation of x square is mean square value. Okay, here expectation of x squared is the mean square value. Okay. Second one. If the random process xt has no periodic components, you know about the periodicity of a sine wave. Okay, the xt has no periodic components, then limit tau tends to infinity, means the time delay between the two random variables. Am I correct? What is tau? Time delay between two random variables is the infinity. Tau tends to infinity means the time delay is the time lag between the two random variables is infinity, approaching to infinity. of r double x tau. This gives us expectation of xt. Can someone tell me what is this formula? What is this right side formula? What is this?
Square of the mean.
Square of the mean. From the first property, you know the mean square value. So second property, you know the square of the mean. Can you find out variance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Variance of xt. What is that? Mean square value minus square of mean. So let us write a variance of xt. We can write it as a r double x 0. Mean square value is r double x 0. And square of the mean is limit tau tends to infinity r double x tau. So this is the formula to find out the variance of a random process. Okay. And third one, r double x tau means autocorrelation of the random process xt is even function of tau. Is even function of tau. What is mean by even function? Can someone give me example for even function? You learn in intermediate trigonometry.
F of minus x is equal to f of x.
Yes. So here the f means autocorrelation function. Autocorrelation function minus tau equals to autocorrelation function plus tau. This one you have to prove. Okay. F of minus x equal to f of x. That is even function. That f is here autocorrelation function. Okay. So let us see this. First, let us write a formula for r double x tau. What is the formula of this? Expectation of xt x t plus tau. Okay. Now, can you write or replace tau with minus tau? Then what you get? R double x minus tau is equals to expectation of xt x t minus tau. Now let t minus tau is equals to k. Then what is t? It is k plus tau, right? Now let us write r double x minus tau is equals to expectation of x. What is t? K plus tau. And what is t minus tau? It is k. So let us rearrange this expectation of xk x k plus tau. Both the formulas are same, right? The structure is same. In place of t, you have k. What is this formula? R duplex of tau only, right? Avuna kada? In place of t, you have k. You can see k, right? Here and here. What is the formula of autocorrelation function? Expectation of xt and xt plus tau. The same thing we have obtained here, but with in terms of k. Okay. And other one, R double X tau autocorrelation function R double X tau is maximum at tau equals to 0. At tau equals to 0. That is, you have to prove that R double X 0 is greater than or equals to R double X tau. Okay, that you have to prove. Autocorrelation function is maximum at tau equal to 0. When tau is not equal to 0, those values are lesser than R double X 0. So for this, let us consider two random variables. Let us consider xt1 one random variable, xt2 other random variables. Now let us find out mean square value of xt1 plus xt2. So what is the mean square value? It is always greater than or equal to 0. Mean square value is always greater than or equal to 0. Can you write it mathematically? Mean square value is expectation of xt1 plus xt2 whole square is greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Now let us apply a plus b whole square formula. Then what we get? X square t1 plus x square t2 plus 2 x t1 x t2 greater than or equals to 0. Now let us apply this expectation operator on the three terms. Then it gives us expectation of x square t1 plus expectation of x square t2 plus 2 times expectation of xt1 xt2 greater than or equal to 0. Can someone tell me what is this formula and what is this formula and what is this formula? Expectation of x square t1 xt1 into xt1. Am I right? X square t1 is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but xt1 into xt1. What is the time delay between the two xt1 and xt1?
Tau.
It is 0, right? It is R double X of 0. This is also same. It is a correlation between the same random variables, and the time delay between the two is 0. xt2 into xt2. And here xt1 and xt2. It is autocorrelationally, but there is a time delay. What is the time delay? t2 minus t1. Here time delay is t1 minus t1, 0. Here time delay is t2 minus t2, 0. Here time delay is t2 minus t1. Okay. Now let us write this as R double X 0 plus R double X 0 plus 2 R double X tau greater than or equals to 0. So let us take 2 common and write outside. Anyway, that goes to right side, goes 0. So we can write it as R double X 0 greater than or equals to minus R double X tau. So we are going to find out the maximum value. Maximum value is the magnitude. Okay. So R double X 0 greater than or equals to, you write magnitude. So the autocorrelation function is maximum at tau equals to 0. Any doubt in this?
Sir, but RX's value is something else, no, sir?
Come again.
RX6 is equal to expectation of x of t into x of t plus tau. Sir.
Correct.
మరి ఇక్కడ RXS replace you have replaced with RXS of 0 no?
No, here what you got? R double x 0, right? This here.
అంటే టౌ 0 అని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ టీ అని వస్తుంది.
అంతే కదా? Let me write here. What is the formula of R double x tau? Expectation of xt x t plus tau. Tau equal to 0. R double x 0 is equals to expectation of xt and xt. Xt and xt is what? X square t only, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
It may be x square t1 or it may be x square t2 or it may be x square t3. So whatever it is, the ACF at tau equal to 0. Okay. Anyway, I will share these notes to you after the class. What is the property number? 4. Okay. Fifth one, autocorrelation function is a periodic. ACF is a periodic function. What is periodic function? Intermediate లో మీరు చదువుకుంటూ ఉంటారు కదా, f of t plus or minus nt is equals to f of t. Am I right? You have seen this in intermediate. Okay, na? A sinusoidal function is a periodic after every t, right? After every time period capital T. Okay. Here we have to prove that the autocorrelation function is periodic function. It is tau plus or minus t after every time period plus t or minus t. That is equals to r double x tau. This one we have to prove. Okay. So r double x tau plus or minus t. So how do you write this? Expectation. I'm going to write the formula of r double x tau. Xt x t plus tau. This is the formula of r double x tau. Now I would like to write the formula for r double x tau plus or minus t. So in place of tau, what you have to write? In place of tau, you have to write this here. So what is that? In place of tau, you have to write tau plus or minus t. Okay. And the given random process is a periodic process. Is a periodic process. So periodic process means what? Xt plus tau plus or minus t is xt plus tau. It's a periodic process. Let us substitute this here. R double X tau plus or minus T is equal to expectation of xt x t plus tau, which is nothing but R double X tau only. Okay. So here you have to understand one thing. ACF is periodic function if xt is periodic random process. Okay. If xt is not periodic process, then ACF is not a periodic function. And the last property, let us consider two processes xt and yt, two different random processes. They are two jointly wide sense stationary. What is that? Jointly wide sense stationary random processes. Can someone tell me what is a wide sense stationary random process? What are the conditions? ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? WSS RP wide sense stationary random process. What are the conditions?
Mean should be 0.
Mean 0 or constant. Second,
Autocorrelation function should be function of time delay.
Yes, function of time delay only. Now autocorrelation function of zt, which is nothing but xt plus yt. Okay, is a sum of autocorrelation functions and cross correlation functions. Autocorrelation functions and cross correlation functions. That is, you have to prove that R double Z of tau. What is mean by this? R double Z of tau is autocorrelation function of zt. It is equals to R double X tau plus R double Y tau. What is the meaning of it? Sum of the autocorrelation functions. R double X tau plus R double Y tau is nothing but sum of the autocorrelation functions. Okay. Plus R xy. Now I am writing xy. Xy means cross correlation. R is correlation. Xy means cross correlation. Plus R yx tau. So what is the meaning of what is the right side? We can write the right side as a sum of autocorrelation functions and cross correlation functions. So let us prove this. So what is given? Zt equals to xt plus yt. What we have to find? R double Z of tau. What is the formula of autocorrelation? Expectation of zt z t plus tau. ఇందాక x ఉండే ఇప్పుడు z వచ్చింది, అంతే తేడా. R double z tau is equals to expectation of what is zt? It is xt plus yt. And what is zt plus tau? In place of t, you have to write t plus tau. So xt plus tau plus y t plus tau. Right. Now let us multiply this xt with xt plus tau. Next, xt with y t plus tau. Next, yt with xt plus tau. I'm multiplying with combinations. The last one is yt plus tau. Now let us apply this expectation operator on the four terms. So the first one is expectation of xt x t plus tau. Second one, I am going to consider the last one, expectation of yt y t plus tau. I'm writing in the order. And third one, expectation of xt y t plus tau. And the fourth one, expectation of yt x t plus tau. This one is r double x tau, and this one is r double y tau, and this one is r first. What is the first variable? X. What is the second variable? Y. The time delay between the two is tau. And here the first variable is y, second variable is x, and the time difference between the two random variables is tau. So finally r double z of tau is equals to r double x tau plus r double y tau plus r xy tau plus r yx tau. This way we have to just we have to substitute that xt plus yt in the formula. Just simplify it. That gives us this some of the autocorrelation functions and cross correlation functions. Any doubts in the properties? Any doubts? Now let us go for the problems. The first problem, find average power of random process xt having an autocorrelation function r double x tau is equals to a square by 2 cos omega naught tau. Okay. See, average value or mean square value, both are same. Mean square value, okay. Mean square value and average power, both are same. So which property we have to use to find out average power? First property, right? What is the mean square value using Autocorrelation function or double x 0, right? What is the first property? Let us go to the first property.
Tau is equal to 0.
Okay. Let me write here average power. Average power. Okay. So at tau equal to 0, the value is average power. Okay. So substitute tau equal to 0, r double x 0 is equals to a square by 2 cos 0. So it is a square by 2 only. This was given for 2 marks. Do you find any difficulty in this? Just you have to apply the properties. Are you with me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ప్రాపర్టీస్ నుంచి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయమ్మా. అండ్ one minute. The next problem. If xt is a random process, if xt is a random process, with mean of 2, with mean of 2 and autocorrelation function r double x tau is equals to 4 times e power minus 0.2 mod tau plus 1. Okay. Next, y and z are two random variables. Two random variables obtained from xt at t equals to 2 seconds and t equals to 4 seconds respectively. Now we have to find variance of random variable w equals to y minus z. Okay. So what is the given data? If xt is a random process with mean of 2, means expectation of xt, mean means expectation of xt. So what is given? It is 2. It is given. And other data what is given? r double x of tau. It is a 4 times e power minus 0.2 mod tau plus 1. And what is the other data given? There are two random variables, y and z. This is the t and this is xt. So this is a different random process. Okay. Now he said that at t equals to 2 seconds, what is the random variable? It is a y. And at t equals to 4 seconds, what is the random variable? Z. Okay, these are the two random variables obtained from the same random process xt. Now we have to find what is the variance of w equal y minus z. But before going to that, can someone tell me what is the mean of y and mean of z? What is the mean of y and z? Remember, for a random process, okay, the mean is always constant. By default, the given random processes are wide sense stationary random processes. By default, if it is not mentioned, the random process is a wide sense stationary random process. For a wide sense stationary random process, the mean is always constant. Okay, in general, expectation of xt equals to 2 given. Means expectation of y is 2, expectation of z is also 2. That you have to know. Okay. Now, what is the variance formula? Can someone tell me what is the variance formula? Variance of W is equals to mean square value. What is mean square value? Expectation of W square minus square of the mean. Correct enough? Am I right? But what is W? The y minus z. Are you with me? Let us find out what is the expectation of W. So according to this, W equal y minus z, it is expectation of y minus z, and it is expectation of y minus expectation of z. It is 2 minus 2, 0. And what is another one unknown? We have to find expectation of W square. We have to find this. How do you find this? We have to just substitute W equal to y minus z, so whole square. Right. Now, expectation of, let us apply the formula of a minus b whole square. Y square plus z square minus 2y z. Now it is expectation of y square plus expectation of z square minus 2 times expectation of y and z. Now let us find out individually what is expectation of y square. Can someone tell me what is expectation of y square? Is it not autocorrelation at tau equal to 0? What is y? Y is a random variable of the random process xt. So it is autocorrelation at tau equal to 0, y and y. What is the time difference between y and y? 0 only. So you substitute tau equal to 0. What is given? It is 4 times e power minus 0.2 times 0 plus 1. It is 8. Similarly, expectation of z square. It is also the random variable of the random process xt only at tau equal to 0. So it is also 8. Okay. Now you have to tell what is expectation of y and z. Do not think that y and z are there. Y and z are there, and do not think that is a cross correlation. It is autocorrelation only. because y and z are the same random variable. They are the random variables obtained from the same random process. What is the time difference between the two random variables y and z? Y is at t equals to 2 seconds and z is at t equals to 4 seconds. 4 minus 2. So r double x of 2. So it is 4 times e power minus 0.2 into 2 plus 1. So it is 4 e power minus 0.4 plus 1. Right. So let us substitute in the variance formula. Variance of W is equals to, and expectation of y square, I'm writing directly. Expectation of y square is 8. Expectation of z square is 8 minus 2 times 4 into. So it is 8 times e power minus 0.4 plus 1 minus square of the mean. So 1 8 gets cancelled. So it leaves us 8 minus 8 e power minus 0.4 or 8 times 1 minus e power minus.
Sir, 16.
Now 1 8 gets cancelled, amma.
Okay.
Right. So any doubts in this class? So let me take the attendance for this day.